Hi guys, welcome to Shiva Sai's Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Chiran. All right. So, so this video will look into what is Terraform. See, basically Terraform is a infrastructure as code tool. What does mean by that? I'll explain. But just understand that Terraform was given by HashiCorp organization. All right. So it basically this Terraform helps us to provision and manage infrastructure using infrastructure on-premise or cloud. All right. So meaning of this is, so basically if you want to deploy an infrastructure for your application, right, and many more things related to that, right? So infrastructure meaning is you need to have servers, you need to have multiple configurations like networking or security aspects, many of that, right? So everything need to be provisioned. All right. So before this IAC tool, like infrastructure as code tool, what is IAC? I'll tell you. So before this tools, right? So the infrastructure was basically created manually, meaning so we should go with deploying an infrastructure like required environment servers, required networking aspects, required security aspects, everything is such. So maybe we used to have some scripting language or some language to deploy that automation, but it was very complex and it was hard to manage using that strategy. So for that reason, so the market has given Terraform tool, which is infrastructure as code tool. Meaning of that is we can we can provision our infrastructure. It might be our servers, our network, our security aspects, our many other configurations using code, meaning that this can be repeatable, this can be versionable, right? This can be tracked, this can be easily maintained. All right, fine. So it allows you to define, provision, and manage cloud infrastructure using high level configuration, called as configuration language called as HCL. So Terraform follows HashiCorp uh, configuration language, which is HCL, or it can also understand JSON, right? This language. So most probably we'll go with utilizing HCL language, okay, which is very simple and easy. All right. So just understand. So for my application, I need maybe 10 servers or 10 Kubernetes clusters or any as such. I need to be cautious on security aspects. I need to be cautious on you know uh, what to say application configuration aspects, many of such. So everything can be now managed using IAC tool. All right. So IAC, infrastructure as code tool, which is Terraform. We have other tools like Ansible, chef, puppet, everything as such. But moreover, see, we have two aspects. One is configuration management and other one is infrastructure as a code. So I'll explain that in next any other video, right? So but for now, just understand, using Terraform tool we can provide provision our infrastructure as a with using a code which helps us to deploy the same infrastructure in again and again, and manage the infrastructure easily, maintain the infrastructure easily, even destroy the infrastructure easily, provision infrastructure easily, configure infrastructure, and easily maintain and manage changes, everything as such. All right. So for that reason we'll go with Terraform, which is very simple to learn and adopt and manage. All right. So fine. So basically within flow diagram we can go with explaining Terraform. So this is something like we use HCL language and define our requirements within HCL language and within Terraform files. All right. So which ends with .tf, and then we go with IAC tool like Terraform, and which helps us to provision infrastructure. All right. So this is like I took an example of Azure cloud. All right. So on Azure, this is storage account. This is virtual machine with app. This is SQL database. So maybe consider this is one environment and this is another environment. So with the same configurations, it might be different, anything as such. So everything can be managed by this Terraform. All right. Fine, guys. So I'll be posting videos on this. This is very popular tool and easy to adopt tool, easy to learn tool nowadays, and very, very, the requirement of Terraform is high. All right. So I'll be posting information on this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.